Hey guys, today we're going to be trying out this GratKit 3D filament. This is a tricolor I found on Amazon. It's got a 4.4 star rating for $18.04. Very decently priced. I don't know how good it's going to be. It is going to be a Silk PLA tricolor. This one was, let's see if it says on the box, orange, blue, and green are the three colors that are going to be mixing together on this one. The model today is going to be from Flexi Factory. I paid for this download, and it's the Spinosaurus skeleton. This one's going to be the body along with the head. I do have the head at the back of the build plate on this one. And it's supposed to take about 10 hours and 6 minutes according to Cura. Then again, with this printer, it could possibly be faster. I am going to print at 200 millimeters per second, 150 outer perimeters. Let's see here. Yep, 150 on the outer wall speed. And we'll see how it turns out. Hopefully it actually works out. Anyway, guys, I will see you at the end of the time lapse. So that was 4 hours and 20 minutes. Way faster than a little over 10 hours that Cura said it was going to be. And let's see how this turned out. It just finished. I probably should let it cool down a little bit. But let's just kind of pop everything here. There's the head. Looks really nice so far. Let me just kind of pull it off the camera here for just a moment. Give it a little flex both ways. I think we're good. Get that put back on there for next time. There we go. And right off the bat, we have our movement of everything there. How about the back? It's a little bit stiff. It's loosening right up. Oh yeah. We got movement. Now, I think this just sets in place. Or does it pop in place? This is probably where I break everything. Actually, I think it's going to pop into place. I don't want to break it though. Let me just pull it off camera. I think it's got a little dimple right there on both sides. And yeah, it's got a little nub on both sides of that. I'm pretty sure it's just going to fit right in. Give me just a moment. I don't know if you heard that, but that was me setting this down on the tabletop like that and pushing down on the top part of the head, and it snapped into place. That is a very tight fit. Well, let's get it over here where we can get a closer look at this filament. It does have the color transition to it. Now, granted, the way the feet print out like that, it's going to cause some different looks to it. Same with the head, the position I had it in. You have most of this kind of a blue color along the top instead on the side of it. But it still came out really nice. I'm starting to get that profile worked in a little bit better on Cura. I'm liking the way it's printing. And this filament really printed nice. I ended up turning it at, I believe I had it at 225 Celsius for the print temperature. And it looks like it was spot on. It's about 5 degrees more than what it says on the packaging. Which, when you're printing faster, you pretty much have to give it more heat. But yeah, I love it. My wife saw one of these at one of the trade shows or something. I'm trying to remember where we saw that. I think it was like an antique show or something where they had like crafts and stuff, and they had these kind of models there. And she's like, I'd like to have one of those. So I looked all over the internet and finally came across this model, and definitely worked out nice. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will catch you in the next one.